Hey everyone, this is Isaac. Welcome back to another CapCut tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about body and face retouching. Let's get started. Click on your video clip in the timeline, then go to the video tab and click retouch. You'll now see the two main sections, face and body. Let's start with the face section. The first thing you have is auto styles. These are automatic CapCut face filters. The next one we have is skin. These tools improve skin texture and tone. Smooth softens the skin for a clean, airbrushed look. Whitening brightens the skin tone slightly. Clear blemishes reduces acne, spots and small marks. Even balances skin tones across the face. Plump makes skin look fuller and more youthful. Smile lines softens laugh lines and wrinkles. Dark circles brightens under eyes. And then you have skin tones. Here you can select the skin tone for your model, and you can change the warmth and the degree of the skin tone. Now we have face edits. Small face shrinks the overall face width. Slim thins out cheek and jaw. Width controls how wide the face appears. Jaw slims or widens the jaw. Cheekbones raise or flatten the cheekbone structure. Shorten compresses the overall face vertically. V-shape creates the classic V-line jaw contour. Chin length makes the chin longer or shorter. Lower, middle and upper edit specific thirds of the face. The lower third, the middle third, and the upper third. Hairline raises or lowers the forehead area. The next section we have is the features. Here you can edit the eyes, nose, mouth and the eyebrows. You can make the eyes bigger, closer or more lifted. Nose, you can change the width, the bridge, the height, the size. You can choose how much you want it to be stereoscopic, upturned, Roman, and you can change the roots. You can change the mouth settings, you can widen the teeth, change the size of the mouth, the position, make it lopsided, smile, and even change the expression. And you can change the position, distance, shape and the tilt of the eyebrows. You can make it more natural, slim, and even flat. Makeup. CapCut offers built-in digital makeup styles. And you can choose the intensity of the makeup. And if you want to make manual changes to your model, you can do that in the manual section. And the next section we have is the body edits. You can make the head smaller, the neck smaller, arms smaller. You can straighten the shoulders, widen them. You can make the body thinner, the waist smaller, the legs longer. You can make the chest bigger or smaller. And you can make the hips less wide or more. You can smoothen the skin up, and you can make your model brighter. And just like for the face edits, you can also make manual edits right here. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.